wash rugs and do repairs. In this video here, we are doing fringe repair and removing the cotton fringe and inserting silk. The customer wanted their silk rug to look beautiful, and they didn't understand why it had cotton fringes on it. So we just peeled back the bottom of the carpet and started inserting silk fringes. The project came out looking really great. The customer was very happy. Each month we have specials, and as you can see on the top right corner of our video here, it says scan for coupon. Please use your phone and scan the QR code and see what we have as a special for this month. We offer free pickup and delivery. You can see more videos at orientalrugcare.com. Please give us a call. We look forward to earning your business. We've been around over 35 years, so give us a call. Thanks for watching the video.